Pour soap out of the bottle into the sink until it's empty. Wash the bottle and all its parts thoroughly, especially the dispenser, to remove any soap residue. Next, take toothpaste and squeeze it into the bottle. Add 100 milliliters of mouthwash to the toothpaste. Then, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, known for its whitening properties and ability to make the oral environment more alkaline, reducing bacterial growth. Mix everything thoroughly until the baking soda dissolves. This trick will transform your teeth and more. Once the mixture is ready, use it to clean your teeth several times a day. Simply dispense the solution onto your toothbrush. It will not only remove plaque and stains, but also strengthen your gums and disinfect your mouth. This inexpensive method works just like a beauty salon treatment. You can do it at home for less than $1. Take a regular sock and add a few portions of hand cream along with a few drops of skin softening oil. Gently spread the mixture inside the sock, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Slip the sock onto your feet. Sit back, relax, and let it work for 30 minutes. After the time is up, remove the sock and rinse your feet. The result? Silky, smooth, refreshed skin that feels soft to the touch. This treatment leaves your feet baby soft, moisturized and nourished. Your skin will retain water better and won't crack. Place this on your foot. Just 1 ingredient, and you won't need to spend money at the pharmacy anymore. My grandmother always used this method, and it works overnight. Here's how. Take 1 red onion and chop it into small pieces. Next, grab a paper towel and spread the chopped onion evenly on it. Place this mixture against the sole of your foot and wrap your foot with plastic wrap. The plastic wrap helps the onion's compounds absorb into your skin. Onions are rich in sulfur compounds, which give them their distinctive smell. When applied to the feet, these compounds penetrate the body, helping to fight bacteria and viruses while cleansing the blood of toxins. Put on socks to secure everything in place. If possible, leave it on overnight or for at least 4 hours. The onion also stimulates various pressure points on the feet, helping to relax the entire body while drawing out toxins through the skin. This simple, natural remedy is an easy way to detox your body without lifting a finger and without spending a fortune at the pharmacy. Place a bay leaf on your hands. This is what our great-grandmothers used to do. Most people don't know that bay leaves are useful for more than just cooking. If you struggle with joint pain in your hands or shoulders, this remedy works better than smelly ointments from the store. Our grandmothers used this to ease their pains. Simply take a glove and put a few bay leaves inside, then go to sleep. Thanks to their warming properties, bay leaves help relieve rheumatic and arthritic pain. They also soothe muscle pain and help with sprains and strains. How does it work? The glove creates a higher temperature through contact with the skin, causing the leaves to release their essential oils. This natural trick has been known for generations. Unfortunately, most people are still unaware of it and waste money on ointments. It's worth trying this method before turning to chemical remedies from the pharmacy. Place the stones on a baking tray and put them in the oven. This trick will change the rest of your life. Heated stones could become the most important thing you'll discover this year. So next time you're on a walk, at your cottage, or in a field with a farmer friend, gather a basket of stones, from small to medium-sized ones. You'll find them everywhere on any field. They are literally everywhere and very valuable. Take them home and rinse them off. No need to scrub them, but you can get rid of most of the dirt. Then take a baking tray and lay a dark towel, cloth, or gauze diaper on it. Place the gathered stones on the tray. Arrange them however you like. We gathered stones from the field. I don't collect stones from rivers or lakes for this trick. Put the tray in the oven and heat the stones. They should be warm, not hot. Lay a towel on the floor or carpet and place the tray of stones on it. This becomes a portable mat. Take off your socks and step onto the stones. Walk on them for a few minutes to start. Then gradually increase the time to several minutes each day. Walking on warm stones helps cleanse your body and stimulates the receptors of all your vital organs. With time, stepping on stones will get easier. and your body will become healthier. Your body will be triggered to self-heal. This is one of the few methods that are simple yet effective for the whole body. People with joint pain will start walking again. They will feel a surge of energy and regain their health. Anti-aging mask that will surprise you. It tones and eliminates wrinkles. Your skin becomes silky smooth because of it. This mask is extremely effective. To make it, you need bananas, or more precisely, the peel of one banana. It has properties that will rejuvenate your skin. Chop it finely. Put it in a pot. Add 2 tablespoons of rice. It prevents premature aging. Pour in 200 milliliters of water. Boil it all for 10 minutes. Rice with banana also brightens the complexion perfectly. Then transfer the rice with banana peel to a blender. Blend it into a smooth mixture. Transfer it to a bowl and add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. It's perfect for discoloration and pimples. It also contains a lot of vitamin C. Add 1 tablespoon of powdered milk. It cleanses and moisturizes the skin. Also, add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. It absorbs excess oil for oily skin. Mix everything thoroughly and transfer it to cream containers. Apply it to the skin and leave it on for several minutes. Tannins in banana peel tighten and tone the skin. Banana peel is an ideal cosmetic for acne-prone skin, but in combination with other ingredients, it is universal for different skin types. After using it, the skin is smooth, tight, and free of wrinkles. You can store this mask in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. However, it's best to use it regularly every day until you finish it.
Natural mask that removes blackheads and pimples. Preparation takes only 5 minutes. Prepare 4 aspirin tablets. It contains acetylsalicylic acid, which helps fight acne. It exfoliates and softens the skin. Lay out a piece of plastic wrap on a board, then place the tablets on it and cover with another layer of plastic wrap. Using a hammer, crush the tablets into powder. This will help them dissolve faster. Transfer the powder to a bowl. Add a tablespoon of plain yogurt. It is rich in vitamin B and proteins, soothing irritations, and promoting skin regeneration. Like a soothing dressing, it helps reduce redness and discoloration. Add a tablespoon of honey. Mix everything together. Honey is an antioxidant that blocks free radicals, helping to maintain youthful skin. Finally, add almond oil. It gently moisturizes the skin without leaving a greasy layer. This oil effectively rebuilds the skin's hydrolipidic barrier. Thoroughly mix the mask to achieve a uniform consistency. It takes literally 5 minutes to prepare, and its effects are wonderful. Apply the mask to the face and neck. Leave it on for 15 minutes. During this time, the ingredients will penetrate the skin. Rinse with lukewarm water, gently massaging. Aspirin helps remove dead skin cells. Blackheads and pimples won't stand a chance.